Bata pa ko ganahan na jud ko mahimong ligid.
So, mamunta,
mga besh, mga bye.
Sige, karong adlaw na kami diri sa Cebu City. Muli na si Inday. Bye. Muli sa Australia karong adlaw. Ako muli ko sa US next Sunday.
Why did you book a week after me?
I don't know. Sige. Kwan. Pero karong adlaw mag-sit down video kami usab. Pero before kami mag-sit down video, gusto kami magpasalamat sa Down South.
Yes, thank you Down South Hostel this time.
Down South Hostel. Yesterday, gikan mi sa Down South 118 sa Oslo. Ganan kami dito, so nag-check-in kami dire. So,
and it's awesome, and it's really
awesome,
nice.
mate.
It's awesome, mate.
Yeah, she's excited na mabalik sa Australia. Oh, true, yeah. Sige. Oh, yeah, true. Yeah, bro. Sige.
Not us.
Ang sit-down video karon about usa ka reggae song. So, gi-dedicate ang usa ka reggae song para sa amwa.
I've always wanted a song dedicated to me.
Yes, it's called Kalooy by Ulibert, I think.
To understand the song, we have to understand where it came from.
Yeah.
So, a few months earlier.
No, we just explain. So, I think March.
Yeah.
So, March or April, beginning of April. Basta, March or April, nag-trending si Inday. Trending siya sa Facebook. Dito kami sa Carabao Island, nag-photoshoot siya with our friend Paul.
With our friend Paul
Shout out,
and
Paul.
a swimsuit designer, Fresher Swimwear. Yes, we did a photo shoot for Fresher's launch of her swimwear, and it trended. The most of you probably saw it, but it was, the gist of it is, when I grow up, I want to be a legged.
And so, we will show you, ipatano na mo ang mga pictures sa inyo para makatawa po kung joke. Basahan na to ang mga comments diri sa pictures. So the first one is about the ligid. So basahan ni Inday. So tanaw na to kung kasabot ni siya.
Bata pa ko ganahan na jud ko mahimong ligid.
Unsa daw?
Bata. When I was still a baby, I wanted to be a ligid.
Yeah, when I was young.
Okay. When I was young. Bata is young
or
child, whatever.
Yeah. When I was a child, I wanted to become a ligid. And dagan nag-like ani. Mga ganit na trending. Sige. Usa pa ka picture, pitano na mo diri sa kawayan. Bastos ang uban na comment, so dili na mo ipatano sa inyo kay bastos man. Kung gusto ninyong basahon.
And I don't like the rude ones. The ones that say they want to be a ligid, fine. The ones calling out other things, not fine.
Bastos!
Not okay with that.
So we will read the non-bastos. Okay, this one.
Okay.
Jason.
Tungod ani na picture nag-away ni sa kong ginikanan kay ni ana sila nganong di man ka magsiman ana sad ko mana ako laing gusto ang mahimong kawayan.
Gets name? Tungod ani na picture nag-away ni sa akong ginikanan. Because of this picture, me and my parents fought.
Parents!
Ginikanan niya. Kaya niana sila.
Oh, they want him to be a seaman?
Yes. Why don't you want to become a seaman? Anak sad ko, and I said,
Because
Ma, I want to become...
Kawayan.
Kawayan is bamboo. Lodi. They want to become a bamboo. Yes, because of that photo. There's also a good picture right there.
Yeah, I became a starter pack meme as well, which was pretty sick. I've always wanted to be a meme.
So, ligid, yellow swimsuit,
Palm tree, coconut frond, whatever.
Una gusto ko mahimong lingkuranan, karon gusto na kong mahimo na ligid. So, they're all the same. Before they wanted to become a chair, now they want to become a ligid. Sige, so muna siya ang background. That's the background of Ani na Kanta. That's called Kalooy. We will play Kalooy by Ulibert. But first, we watch the ad, you know.
Oh my god.
Alright, here we go.
Alright. I love reggae.
Why whoa, oh. Why oh, whoa, why whoa, oh.
My best moves.
Hoy, Kaloy. ba ka maluoy sa kadaghan ng Bisaya? Si Zoira ang pangandoy.
Sure, choose a better photo.
Did you understand that? Hoy Kaloy, di ba ka maluoy? Hey Kaloy, don't you pity us? Don't you pity all of the Bisaya?
Okay. I only know what this is because my cousin said it the other day. It's a dream.
Yeah, like a dream or a desire.
Yeah.
So Zoe's what everyone desires.
Hoy Kaloy,
Good picture.
I took that photo.
pwerte nakakapoy. Sige tanaw sa vlogs ninyo sa high sweet makamaoy.
I need to see it.
Birthday na kakapoy.
Kapoy's tired.
Birthday is like kapoy kayo.
Okay, very kapoy.
Very
Okay.
kapoy. Sige, tan out.
Like watching the vlog.
Yeah, they always watch the vlogs. Sometimes it's sweet. Makamaoy. I actually just learned this word. Maoy is like make someone sad, brokenhearted,
Oh.
because
Yeah.
yeah, they want to become a leader. All right, let's continue. Sige ipagoy. I just learned that too. Whistle.
I can't whistle.
Go. All right. Subscribe to Uli Bird.
Doon na ako'y nakitaan, Facebook post nga gikagutan. Usa ka babaeng bakan sa ligid gaduyan-duyan.
Alright. So now, Aduna ako'y nakitan. Aduna is naa. Like I saw something.
Okay.
Nakita. Facebook post nagikagutan.
I don't know what that is.
Di ko kabalo ana gikagutan.
Please tell us what that is.
I think it's maybe a Facebook. No, yeah, I don't know.
Comment below.
Comment below.
Babay's girl.
Yes, one
Is that
girl.
one girl? Pakan.
Pakan.
I don't know what that is.
Does that mean like bitten? Kay mamaak, mopaak, pakan. Di man good. I don't know if that's what it really means, but a girl that was
Like-
bitten. My stomach, I'm hungry.
We're really hungry.
Saligid, gedoyan.
Swing, swing.
Okay, very good.
Apan wadama, Amerikanong kuyog-kuyog niya.
Amerikanong koyogs with me.
Yeah,
You're with me.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm really with you. But
Nagkasila.
Hangtod until
No. What's naga?
nakasila
Nakasila.
until they became something,
Okay.
became them. Let's proceed.
Kitang tanan, magnanang. Hoy, Kaloy.
My stomach.
Kalo, oy, buloy. Kaloy. Sa mga Bisayang nandoy. Kaloy. Kalo, oy, buloy. Kaloy.
I wish we could do a music video. Can we film it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ato na lang ning itagoy.
Takoy.
Like, let's just whistle. Alright.
Fun fact, I used to be able to whistle.
You're gonna
I don't know what
Sa
happened.
ilang kabulan, kung sino ba'y ni Juan.
Sulod sa pila ka bulan.
Sulod inside. So.
Inside a few months.
Okay. So maybe within a few months.
Yeah. Og
Sinubay-bay.
Who's Juan? Kita man si Juan.
Bye-bye.
Kita si Juan.
Hoy.
Hoy, kaloy.
Bye-bye is beach, no?
Sinubay-bay, like subay, like joining with Juan. Like.
So definitely not the beach.
Who's Juan?
I don't know who Juan is.
Bang taga diya Juan?
Juan Carlos?
Juan Carlos siguro. Alright, basta.
Di another siya'y padulingan. Gusto mahimong short pants.
Oh, Short wants to become a short pun? What's a short pun?
Short pun!
Short pun? Oh, I've never heard of a short pun.
Short shorts.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then the parentheses, ligid man good. Yeah, Juan wants to become a short pun. I've never heard short pun, that's pretty good.
We like short pun. What's a borselas?
Quintas, you know quintas?
Quintas? Like 50s?
No. Necklace. What was that other word? Borselas. I have no idea.
Borselas.
Maybe, according to that picture,
maybe it's a
stem.
Yeah, like a
big
coconut.
Tree, the stem of the
Log.
tree. Yeah, I don't know. Alright.
What's that?
Woo. Pero si Kalowera Jud ang gi
Buenas.
I think nagdaog. Ako nagdaog. I think I won. Balas is sand. And, but I won because they all want to become it, but I gave my boyfriend.
Yeah, you won.
Kaloy! Kaloy! Puroy!
Kaloy. Kaloy.
Ikaw ba? Sayaw na?
I am.
Go.
I can't dance and I can't listen.
Music produced by Uli Bird. That's great. Alright. And it continues. Alright. Astig. Sige. Kalooy Uli Bird official lyric video. So, shout out Uli Bird. Astig mong kanta.
Thank you for making a song about me.
Pero ako dyan nagdaog. Ibalik. Pero pilday man kay muni siya karon adto.
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
And then
season 2!
season 2 dito sa USA kay muha pa siya dito.
My first time in the States. So stay tuned.
America. Oh.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah. My stomach kills. Gutom kaayo.
Me too.
Kagabi wala kami nakagaon.
Because I ate too much at lunch and then I was a bit unwell. Okay. Well,
Astig.
I'll miss you guys. See you later.
It's been around. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Oh, amping mo tanan.
Oy Kaloy, di ba ka maluoy sa kadaghan ng Bisaya? Si Zoira ang pangandoy. Hoy Kaloy, perdi nakakapo.